What happens when a hard-working security guard passes out at a red light through 5 full cycles with an air horn blaring? Is it just extreme exhaustion from 90-plus-hour weeks or something much more serious?
Are there any other weapons in the car or in the bag? All right, what about in the bag, man? Is this where your ID is?
Yeah.
Gun or anything in there?
Yeah.
You understand why we're out here, man? Like, everything that's going on. Obviously, you and I'm assuming this is your girlfriend. You both are passed out. You know, you're passed out behind the wheel. She's passed out. You know, our concern is y'all's safety.
All right, so you told my other officer that you didn't have anything to drink. All right, how much have you had tonight? Sorry?
A couple of ciders.
A couple ciders? So, 2, is that by what you mean by a couple? Anything else? Any pills? About what? There. When I'm talking to you, I can smell the odor of an alcoholic beverage. That becomes more pronounced as you speak. As you're standing, you sway. All right? When I'm looking at your eyes, and we're doing the horizontal gaze nystagmus, I can see, point your toe. All right, go ahead and put your foot down.
After clear signs of impairment and a failed sobriety test, he's placed under arrest for DUI. His girlfriend's protective outburst leads to resisting charges. Hard work doesn't excuse drinking and driving. Stay safe out there. Thoughts below.